Emma's saying she wants me to tickle her more. What do you want, Emma? More tickling? Are you saying more tickling? More? More tickling? You guys are funny. More tickling? Okay, more tickling! More tickling! More tickling! What is it? More tickling? Okay. 1, 2, 3, here I go! Whoa! Whoa! They're so funny. Emma's just started asking me to tickle her. More tickle? Can you say tickle? Can you say tickle? Say tickle. Where's Nathan? Ah! Emma! Where did the babies go? Emma, Nathan, where are you? Where? There's Emma. Where's Nathan? Oh, there he is! Emma. Emma. Oh! Tickle? Emma, do you want to be tickled? You guys are funny asking for tickles. You're so funny asking for tickles.